Hello everyone, welcome on my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove this types of error in ASP.NET Core. During the scaffolding I got that type of error actually. IRelationalTypeMappingSource service. This is not a service defined by EFINE Entity Framework Core. So that package is actually installed during your scaffolding. There is the BCL async interface. Just replace that packages with that packages. So these are the actual packages. You can use it if you want to use scaffolding into your project. So just replace that package, like that version is 3.1.4 and identity.ui package 3.1.10, SQLite package is 3.1.15, and the SQL Server package is similar with the SQLite. Tools is the similar with the package, and that is the Visual Studio.web.codegeneration.design. It is a similar package. So just replace with that packages with the newly created versions. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all others videos.